I am an Uyghur, so I'm feeling so proud. Uyghur people helped me, and they support me, and they listen my music, my songs. Chinese and Uyghur is two languages. Of course, we are all Chinese people, but two cultures. A lot of things we have same, and a lot of things we are different. I'm not a hero, but I think Uyghur people need me, so I must do this Uyghur pop music, and I must make people happy. If I want to be a great singer, and I must win a lot of people, old generation and a new generation. If I win 1K, and I can win a big family. Yaxshimisiz?
虽然你们是农村的孩子，你们也可以做到更伟大的事情，而且你们的环境比我好。出生在一个简单的家庭或者简单的一个农村，这个不重要，重要的是怎么去改变自己。